Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Contingency Outbound Kit from Vertx. So first of all, it's offered in two colorways. We have it in the heather navy and heather black that you see here. We use this kit for a couple different configurations, right? Basically, quick grab handle on top, galaxy material on the outside so you can wipe this off as needed. And then if I open this up, we have loop-sided Velcro on top, so I can put in any of our overflow pouches. So for example, I have mine here. That'll fit right inside that, and that's the medium overflow pouch, but the small will also work in there. So it allows me to customize this as I need. So this could either be a first aid kit, medical bag, or I could even take this bag here and take the straps and hook this around the headrest of my vehicle. And this will attach around there, or I can hang this inside the bathroom, right? This strap is designed for maybe a Sonicare toothbrush and the head of that, or whatever else you want to put inside there, maybe a razor. There's places here where I can stack up all my toiletries or any other rapid access first aid kit I need. And then we have another shelf below that to store whatever else you want to have in here. The other nice thing about this is we have a little hidden pocket or tab at the top where I can drop in anything I might want to hide or for discreet access. And then we close the whole thing up and it's good to go. We also have the grab handle on the outside of this. So this is the Contingency Outbound Kit Bag from Vertx.